So hi everybody, we're here today with Jim with Kross Inspectors. He's the owner and founder of the company. And Jim has been a trusted inspector of mine, the only inspector that I like to use since 2000 and
We've been in business since 2007.
2007, yeah, a long time. So today we're going to talk with Jim about the 4-point home inspection. And this inspection it has a lot of facets to it. It tends to be required when somebody's buying an older home to make sure that everything is hunky-dory with the lender. The lender requires it. Sometimes you cannot purchase a home without it. So it's really important that when you're working with your real estate agent, that if you are targeting an older property, that you make sure that either the seller provides you with a 4-point home inspection that was already, done before they put it on the market, or that you have one done, because without it, you're going to end up at the end of the day without being able to get insurance. And if you're getting a mortgage, it's not going to happen. So Jim, tell us about the 4-point home inspection.
Absolutely. And just like it sounds, it reviews the 4 points of the home that are most important to an insurance carrier for risk. And as Lisa mentioned, the 4-point insurance inspection is typically for homes that are 30 years or older. And those 4 points are the roof, electrical, plumbing, and the heating and cooling systems of the property. And what the insurance company wants to know is, number one, are there any hazards in any of those systems that may pose a risk for an insurance claim? And the second thing that they would like to know is, what's the estimated remaining life of some of those systems? Like the roof, for example, most insurance carriers will not cover a home if the estimated remaining life of the roof is less than 3 years. And for air conditioning systems, they want to make sure that your heating portion of your air conditioning system is not fueled by a combustible fuel like oil or gas, and not fully ventilated or protected. So those are some small examples about what they're looking for.
Gotcha. Okay. And so once the 4-point goes in, once we receive that, sometimes it doesn't pass inspection, and then we have to have you go back and re-inspect once the seller has made repairs.
Right.
So this is actually a great leverage tool with you when you're buying a property, because think of this for a minute. The seller puts the property on the market, and they may not know that their home will not be insurable without a 4-point passed. So imagine, they're shocked when they receive a report that states that, wow, this buyer cannot get home insurance because the house didn't pass the 4-point. So this gives you some leverage if it's within the seller's control to make repairs. Otherwise, that seller is going to look for a cash buyer who does not have concern with insurance, which I don't think that really exists.
No.
So those are things to think about. So thanks for that. And where can people find you if they would like to have a home inspection?
Well, they can find us on our website at krossinspectors.com. That's KROSS inspectors.com.
Awesome. Thanks, bud.
You're welcome.